All right. Now, let's think about how we want to do this. Let's set it up vertically or in vertical form. Okay. Draw your magnifying glass and make sure you leave that room at the top for our renaming. Make our place value chart. And remember, we need the heading. Okay, I always like to do hundreds, tens, and ones, because if they try to write it out in word form, you're going to get a lot of English language learners who are going to get stuck with that. So keep it very simple. The reason why I don't do HTO, and you won't see that in our curriculum, is because this doesn't really have much of a meaning for students, and the O gets confused with the 0. So we don't want to confuse our students. So let's really label it what it is. They're hundreds, tens, and ones. And remember, we're only putting the whole amount. And if you need that number bond to support students, you can do that off to the side. 130, 33, 35, 36, 37. So I've got my chips are on my chart. Now let's see if I'm set up to subtract. 7 ones, take away 8 ones. I'm going to need some more ones. Where can I get some more ones? From the 10s, right? I'm going to exchange a 10 for 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let me show that with numbers. So always take from the 10 first. So rename this 37 as 2 10s and 17 ones. Okay, I want to make sure I'm set up to subtract in the 1s, 10s, and 100s before I begin subtracting. 17 take away 17 ones, take away 8 ones. Yes, I can do it. 2 10s take away 2 10s. Yes, I can do it. 100 take away 0 100s. Yes, I can do it. So come on over. Let's do it on the model. I'm going to take away 8 from my 10 frame. Okay, so I have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2 10s take away 2 10s. That leaves me 0 10s. And 100 take away 0 100 is 100. So there we can see that our missing part or unknown part was 109. So what's new about this as compared to the other lessons is we have a 3-digit take away a 2-digit. So even though we're not really unbundling or doing anything with that hundreds place just yet, we're getting the students used to having the hundreds there while we're unbundling the tens place. Okay, and